Hi friends, we are creating wonderful, amazing, full-featured websites using WordPress. And why I am saying it full-featured? Because we can add any of our desired feature that we actually want for web activities on a WordPress website. And I am showing you the best available solution for websites on this channel, and I believe you are already a subscriber as well. In this video, I am going to show you a solution through which you can collect your website visitors details. I mean basically email IDs of those visitors in form of subscribers. So you might have seen, certainly have seen, to download anything, you need to subscribe the particular website for the future blogs or future newsletters. This is the solution through which you can collect any number of email ID through the visitors, and even returning visitors can be filtered, and every aspect can be fulfilled for collecting the email IDs and details of the visitor of the website. And the solution that we are going to use for this purpose is itself named as subscribe to download, and it is a full-featured and amazing solution for adding newsletter subscription at WordPress website. Okay, let me show you some screenshots that is coming from this. This is a template one, and I'll show you multiple templates. In the templates, you can write some heading and subheadings and name field and the email field and even the terms of agreement field and all such fields. Take a look on these pre-made templates that we can directly use. These are some examples, and these are really amazing in layout and design. So you can use any of these layouts, of course, at your website through the solution that we are going to use and overview in this video. Okay, so the solution is subscribe to download, and the download after email subscription for WordPress plugin its name. And it has been developed by WP Shuffle, and it is available at Code Canyon through the video description link just for $18. It is being regularly updated, and it has been liked by the existing users, so you can go for this. But yes, I'll show you all the screen what is available with the plugin so that we may understand its complete features, functionality, how we can configure. So why I have chosen this plugin for email subscription or newsletter subscription? First of all, it has multiple layouts, pre-made templates, and it can be directly integrated with the MailChimp or the major mail subscription providers like MailerLite and Brevo or Constant Contact or ConvertKit. So these are some examples. Let us install this plugin first, and we will see what is available. Okay, so I am here at the backend of this website. It is really a very wonderful website. I am going to show you again. So the horizontal layout that I liked very much. This is why I have chosen this theme to be on this channel, and you can watch the specific video on this theme that has been used. It is really very cool, very good and amazing in look. Yes, so the horizontal move website you can create with this theme, and that we discussed in the last video. Okay, so let us proceed further for installing the plugin that we are targeting in this video. I'll go to the add new plugin section and upload the plugin that is subscribe to download, which is available with me. So this is the plugin, subscribe to download. Click on install now. It will take a while in installing the plugin. Once installed, we can simply activate the plugin and proceed for further customization. And after activation, I am here, and this is the subscribe to download feature added at our website. It is going to be very simple to set all the parameters for choosing this subscription form, but I'll show you all the screens. First of all, I'll show you the settings. In the settings, we can enable the MailChimp. Once MailChimp is enabled, we can use the API keys for connecting with the MailChimp. Similarly, you can connect the MailerLite settings and the send in blue settings or ConvertKit or whatever you might be using, and you have some extra setting as well. So it is necessary to have the connection with the MailChimp or any email subscription, because it brings all the features that we actually need for email subscription and the bulk campaigning activities. Because if you have the MailChimp subscription, you can run a email campaign after having the subscriptions from the visitors of your website. So I believe you understand all these layouts and the theory of email subscription and using those subscription for emailing activities. So I'm going to tell you in very short. Once the visitor come at your website, after filling the pop-up form like name and email IDs, he or she hits on subscribe for newsletters. That goes directly to email subscriptions provider. I mean the service that you are using, and through the MailChimp login or any other login that is available here, you can run email campaign for promotional activities or for newsletter or any other activity, whatever the message you want to share with the subscribe visitors. So it is the basic theory of basic campaigning, and you can run either as promotional campaign or awareness campaign. So whatever may be the target for campaign, you can fulfill through this method. So this is complete process. And if you have any question regarding this, how this system works, so plugin is self-sufficient and you just need to configure the MailChimp setting or any other settings. But I am discussing about how you are going to run the campaign as well. Because once you have the MailChimp account, you can run the campaign on the subscribe database. So it is important to run the campaign because you are collecting the database for running a campaign. However, you can download the collected database and that can be used for various promotional activities as well, as per the consent you have taken from the subscribers surely. Of course. So this is the setting where we can configure the mail service, I mean the mailer service or subscription service provider. And next is the subscription forms. So I'll show you the subscriber screen first. Once the visitor gets subscribed, the details will be visible here. So you don't need to log in the MailChimp or any service provider because you can download the data from here. However, for running the campaign through MailChimp or any other service, you have to log in at the dashboard or the panel of MailChimp or the service that you are using. The data can be seen here or even downloaded in the CSV format from this screen. Okay. So the next is the important screen is the subscription form. So form you can create as many ad forms you require at your website, and all the created forms will be visible here. So you can add a new form using this button, and this is going to add new form using the templates that is already available with the plugin. And if we talk about the settings available on this screen, first of all, we can enable and disable the form. We can keep the form title, form alias, and the download file, because this is the main purpose is to attract visitors for downloading the file after subscription. And we can offer any information document or any knowledge share document for downloading purposes, and the visitor will get attracted for that particular downloading the file, and they will definitely subscribe your newsletter. So this is the purpose, and this is also a trick you can say for collecting the database. This is a very good idea to offer some download and get the data of your visitors. Further, the use browser add downloader can be enabled or disabled here, and the encrypt download link option is here. Redirection after downloading, it can be redirected further. So once the visitor downloads the option, the file, or subscribe the newsletter, they can be redirected to a specific URL, and even instant download options can be enabled with this option. So please check this if you want to users to download the file as soon as they subscribe without any verification. So this is also a feature. If you don't need any verification, the file can be downloaded directly. Download button will just show below the subscription success message. That is fine. So all the options, great options are here: instant download and the redirection and encrypted download link and the browser download, download file upload options. So all the necessary options, and unallowed email downloads is also available here. If you want to restrict any specific domain for downloading, it can be done from this screen. So this is again a very good thing. Okay, so form setting is another thing where we can set the headings, what we want to show, like heading text. As I said, you can set heading and the subheading, even name fields and the email fields and the label, and you can show the name or hide the name and can make it required, I mean mandatory, and you can change the label of the field and the custom fields can be added. So GDPR agreement can be shown here, and the subscribe button can be uh, change the text of subscribe button, and further footer can be managed from here. So all the details coming and displaying on the form can be edited from here. And again, if you want to add custom field, like if you are willing to create a complete form for downloading, so you can add like you can add the text field as per your uh, so you can create a new label and you can add a new text field, so the new text field will be added in the area that you want. And the Dropbox, so like if is a Dropbox, so it can the Dropbox, so it can be added further. So it will be available in the form that is popping up for the subscription option. So, and it is a completely customizable form. You can add new fields and whatever the field you want, like text field, text area, checkbox, radio button, numbers, and the date picker, even URL, telephone, and hidden fields can be added. So all great form creation options are here. And the next is the layout setting, the way we want to present our newsletter subscription form. So as I said, there are many options, 22 I can see on the screen, and all can be used. Any of these can be used directly at your website, and these all layouts are wonderful, of course, and you can use as per your website look and feel, and you can use the form directly, and you can decide the form width and the display type, direct display or pop-up display. So it is totally up to you how you want to display the form for popping up or directly displayed on the web page that you are using. And the trigger type can be text or the pop-up trigger tag. So let us assume we are using this one and it is pop-up display, and the trigger type can be text or image, whatever. And we are going to save this form alias. Okay, form title and alias is necessary. First form can be good, and we can use the download file. However, I'm just trying to save it. Okay, so let us check the website. So the form is not visible. Why so? This is the form status that we need to update actually. Save and preview options is also here, so we can have a look before we want to activate it. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, so the form is available here. However, I have yet not customized the form. But yes, I must tell you, the form gets enabled only when you put the short code on the page that you want to use for showing the pop-up. Like if you are using the home page and you want to show the pop-up newsletter subscription form, you need to implement this short code. I mean, you need to add the short code on the page. So it is going to be simple, and with the Elementor or any other page builder, it can be done simply. So I believe it is going to be really helpful in collecting the database of your website visitors. Further, you can set the email settings. So like from email and whatever you have configured at your WordPress website, you can write here from email, and the from name and the download email options are here. So you can offer customized text, like this is the customized text by default generated. You can change the subject, and the download notification can be added. So this is the download notification. You can add or you can keep it inactive. Admin notification can also be activated if you want get notified for every download and everything. So it is completely customizable. Further, the custom option like custom CSS option and the text color, button color, etc. are available. So all these options are great, and we can simply create the email subscription form using this plugin. And the plugin is, again, I'm repeating, the subscribe to download plugin that is available through video description link at the codecanyon.net just for $18. If you want to have this feature at your website, it is going to be a wonderful choice, full featured choice, and you can go with this. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Till then, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.